Hello, for today's video, I'm gonna make tasty and healthy ground lamb meat with tomatoes recipe. And here I prepared ground lamb meat, a fresh tomatoes, a medium size of yellow onion, 5 garlic cloves, half teaspoon of onion and garlic powder, a teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, tablespoon of dried mint, and olive oil. And now let's get started. And now let's start peeling our washed tomatoes. And now our peeled tomatoes done. Now let's start cutting our onion, our peeled onion. Cut it into small cubes. Now we smashed our garlic. And now let's start cutting our tomatoes. Cut it into small cubes also. And using our hand, let's mash a little bit to extract more tomato juice, but with the gloves, of course, like this. Done. And now using our strainer, let's strain the tomato sauce, tomato juice, I mean. Now for the meantime, we're gonna fry our garlic and onion. Now in the pan, add olive oil, now once the oil hot, let's add our onion. Once you smell the aroma, let's add our garlic. Now it's aromatic, then let's add our ground lamb meat. Let's shake it. Fry until it turns all to brown. Now let's add all our prepared seasoning. And now let's check our tomatoes, strained tomatoes. And now it's strained a fresh tomato juice. Now, let's add our tomatoes. Cover and let it boil for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, let's check it out. Now, let's add our extract tomato juice. And add our dried mint. Mix that. And cover again for 5 minutes. Now let's check our recipe. Smells so good. Our tasty, healthy ground lamb meat with tomatoes recipe is ready to serve. Smells so good. And this is for today's video. Bye bye. Till next time.